Okay, so I'm up here for a good reason, people. If we take a look down there, right in that corner, or somewhere around here, we would witness the wild creature, or known as the Roomba. I had to hide up here to get away from the wild creature. Yeah. With the wild Roombas, you gotta be careful. It would snatch you, and not to mention, it would kill you. So, you gotta watch out. Because, I tell you, it's somewhere down there. And you don't want to lock eyes with it. So please. Holy shit! There it is! There it is! The wild Roomba. You gotta carefully not to trigger its sensors, or it will attack you.